Hello everyone, my name is Pratik Patel. I'm one of the CAs for CS 411 class. This is the final project demo that I created. We have to make an application with 6 widgets in Dash. And alright, let me show you what I have done. So once you like, you can just to get started, you can just run this code, and it should give you a link. Let me restart this. Sometimes this is probably alright. Yeah, we can just copy this link, uh, paste this in browser, and press enter. So this is our home page, and as you can see that we have currently not selected. So this is a drop down for all the universities that are in the database. So a user can come in here and let's say they Urbana. They select Urbana, and this should update all the widgets. Alright, so the first widget is the publication over time. So this graph shows you what's the publication of each university over the years. They can zoom in, go out, so on. This widget, university number of faculty with at least n number of publications. So this will show you the number of faculty with, like right now it's one or more publication. Users can scroll around and see that the number of faculties with 644 or more publications is 4, as you can see, and they can slide around and see how everything compares. This is a faculty page, so this will show all the faculty in the selected university. So you guys can see we have a professor. We can select a different professor at university, click through it, so on. All right, and over here it's this widget shows you what like which like the university score based on the search keyword. So let's say if you were to search animals um, on a browser, like and on a browser, so like for example, like Google works in a way that they generate a score for each result, and they show you top results based on that. So similarly, this will be given scores. Same thing with the publication. So if you were to search keywords for like abstract layer, and what will be the score of University of Illinois based on the based on the publications that the university has put out, and so on. And same thing with the no, this is not the same thing. So this widget, university faculty type distribution, this will show you like how many university faculty are like who are like assistant professor or lecturer, and so on. All right, so this is not the fun part. So now let's compare other universities. Let's compare Harvard. So we can select multiple universities, and this should update all of the fields. All right, let's also bring in Columbia. Do we have Columbia? Oh, yeah, there we go. Columbia University, and this should, yeah. So over here, user can also click on the title to enlarge the graph, and they can have a detailed look of like how everything compares. So as you can see that Urbana UIUC is like putting out more publications in year 2018 compared to Columbia University and Harvard, so on. So as you can see, UIUC is at the top in most of the things, yeah, in most of the years, yeah. All right, same thing with here. Users can see like which university has more one or so. This is the number of faculty with one or more publications. So University of Illinois has 178 faculties with one or more publication. Columbia has 70 and Harvard has 16. So let's slide this to let's say that. And as you can see, Harvard, and in the database, only UIUC has this many, like 3 faculties with 784 or more publication, and not any other. As you can see, yeah, so it's in the database, so you can update the database and find out how all of them compare. So let's add one more university. Which one? You wanna add Purdue? Okay. Let's add Purdue. Alright, yeah, so as you can see, yeah, Purdue has more, and yeah, and so on. And let's see the graph. Yeah, UIUC is also at the top in most of the years. As you can see, the dashes. Yeah, right. So on. All right. So now over here. So let's say this is the top faculty results based on keywords. So let's say you were to search data mining or something. Data mining. Do we have data mining? Yeah. So as you can see, if you were to search that, then Purdue University would be at the top, and the score would be just 5,964, as you can see in the pop-up. Then this is UIUC, and the second rank is Columbia, and Harvard 0. So it's and so on in the database. Yeah. So if you were to search, like, let's say I want top results based on this keyword, based on the faculty that works at the university, then this would Purdue University faculty would be at the top. Then it would be like Columbia, and then the University of Illinois. And same thing with this publication. So if you were to search some random like keywords, um, it will show you. Do we have data mining over here? Abstract data types. Let's see. Data mining. Big data mining. No. We don't have a good graph distribution. Yeah, there we go. Yeah, if you were to search data mining based on the keywords found in the publication put out by the university, then as you can see, Purdue would still be at the top, then UIUC, then you'll be Columbia, and Harvard would be, it's just 0. So this would be based on that. Alright, so now same thing with this university faculty type distribution. So this will show you like let me zoom in. This graphs are too small. Alright, let's pick one. As you can see, like we have visiting like professors. There are like 19 professors at UIUC, and Purdue has 30, so on. And yeah, this is based on the positions that each of the professors have at their respective university, and they can see the distribution. And yeah, I should have made this model a little bit bigger so you can see graph more clearly. But yeah, we can make the adjustments after this. Anyways, all right. So yeah, so now you can also see all the professors like combined. So this is like whatever university that you have chosen, the faculty will be shown from that university. So let's select some random. Let's select Abdul. All right. So let's edit. You can edit his position. So we can add him as a, I don't know, uh, physics professor. Email address is abdul@illinois.edu. Phone number. Let's just not put phone number. Research area. Let's just keep it blank. Alright, so we can now either close this model, like, or like we can submit it, and you will see it will be updated, the position and those two things. Also, you can delete this professor. So if I can go ahead and delete the professors. As you can see now, Abdul would no longer be there as a faculty. And if we accidentally delete any of the professor, or we want to add a new professor, we can add Abdul position CS 411 CS professor. Email address abdu@illinois.edu. Phone number, research area, photo URL. So let's search Abdul's photo. Abdul UIUC. Do we have these photos? That's one is nice. Let's put this copy image address. Put it, and then submit, and we can search hopefully Abdul, yeah, and we have the professor Abdul and so on. But yeah, this is the whole project, and you can add in as many universities as you like. You can add New York University, and let's see, do it a bit. Yeah, yeah. You can add as many universities as you like, and it will show you the logo and the right and so on. But yeah, this is the project, and after I'm done with this demo, I will put out a blank template of this code. So you just have to fill in the widgets. If you would like, I will just keep this 6 widgets, and you just fill in the widgets. I will put out the code for that. But as far as the project goes, that's what I have. And so my project, so we have assets file. We can also like add our custom CSS files in the assets folder, because dash up when you start up dash, it will load as SS folder in its working directory. We have database.py. You can make your own database. Yeah, you can connect your database for MySQL or MongoDB. I think MongoDB is the free version. Like if you want to use remote, what do you say, remote server, then MongoDB has free database available. You can connect your database to it, or you can locally run it through MySQL or something. Other than that, yeah. So you will just need to like learn the callbacks. Yeah, so these are the callbacks. So callbacks usually like trigger the action. So if a user does an action, it will trigger the update of the components. This is the widget array. Then you can, this is the app layout, where you have the main app layout with all the 6 widgets. And you can fill in the details when filling the like update the widgets based on the user inputs using callbacks. And if you have any problem with that, let me know. I can assist all the students if you have any questions. But yeah, uh, that was my demo, and this is mainly comparing the universities with each other. So with this demo, I'm trying to compare how different university like compare with each other, and how they rank with, like how they rank, yeah. And yeah, we can make, yeah, this is mainly driven by like comparison between 2 universities and ranking them and seeing like which one uh, is better in certain areas and not good in other areas. But yeah, you can we have like really strong uh, in I mean like to be like really good data, like it'll be really good to compare to universities, I guess. Yeah, and see how they compare. But yeah, basically that's it. Thank you so much for watching. If you have any questions, then let me know.